boy, we're cleaning up today. And this is not working. The battery. As soon as it gets any pressure on it, it doesn't work. So I got a new battery. We got to take this one off. And while I'm in there, I'm just gonna clean out all this stuff too. Might as well, right? All right, so to take it apart, first I'm gonna go like this. Open that up, right? Bottom opens. I'm gonna come to this little red button here. This little red thing here, it's gonna loosen this, and then I can pull it, and it just pops off. Just make sure you don't break them. I don't think I broke them, but all right, anyway, we'll set that over here. Now this, to get this off, we press this, bam, done. Okay, now we gotta get the battery out of here, right? So we gotta get these two screws off there. You gotta make sure you get the screw. Lefty-loosey, so you can see it's coming out, right? You don't wanna lose them, so hang on to them, you know what I mean? Get this one here, get that out of there. Bam. Now we got to come up here and get this one right here. Right in there, right? Lefty-loosey. Okay, we're going to keep our 3 screws, right? So now the battery should come loose. We should be able to just get it out of there, just like that. So the way it goes in is just like this. And you pull it out. Okay, now here's our new battery, right? Check it out. All right, so check it out. See the male leads in there? This is the female here. So you match the leads. The leads are on this side, so you want these on this side when you stick it in. And then you just kind of push it, and you're just going to give it a push. Bam, it's ready to go. Now all we got to do is put our screws back in. Okay, so let's get our screws. And basically these are all the same, right? Pretty much. So here's our little ones. They go in here. Put one there. This time we're going to go righty-tighty, right? I think we're going to go righty-tighty. The question is it going in? Oh yeah, here we go. Huh. Okay, that's in. Next one. Putting her in, right? For some reason it did that. I don't want to go. Righty-tighty it. Pain in the butt. And they are a little bit stripped. That's not good. All right, last but not least, this one here, right? So let's just put her in there. I wonder if I could use one of these other screws that I've got. They look like they're the same. I could try this one, see what happens. Yeah, let's just go with the one we had. Okay, here we go. Once we do this, then we charge her up. Should be good. Yeah, this one doesn't have a charge on it, so we're gonna have to charge it. While I'm doing that, I might try to clean out this, and maybe I'll wash this out too. So the vacuum has 2 filters in it. It's got one of these and one of these. You can get, when you buy the battery, sometimes they give you a new filter, but I'm gonna have to use this old one, and then we'll change the other one. So this is the filter here. So you might as well change that, right? So let's put a new one in. Got these right here. Basically, all you do is just stick it in, just like that. Bam, new filter, ready to go. Okay. And we'll put this back together in a second. Okay, so we got to put her back together. We're going to put this part on first. Remember, we slide it in, just like I showed you guys. There we go. And it's in, right? That's the release there. To pull it off. Again, let's put it in. There we go. Now we can put this on, right? So let's pop this open so we can get to it. And we got to match these little things here. Let's see if you can see them. These things here, right? There's like 6 of them. On here, you'll see, let me pull this off. On here, you'll see inside here, it slides in right there and there. It slides in there. You see those little things? They're on both sides. And that's how that hooks in. It slides in like that. And then it sits right into those contacts. I don't know if you can see them. Right into those contacts. All right, so but first what I got to do is get the this thingamabob back on, right? So let's put that on. I'm not even sure, but let's put the bottom on first so you guys can see. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna kind of match it. So we gotta get it a little bit lower so that it kind of slips in there like that. Then we just push it up and that's on. Now we can just go ahead and shove this through just like we did before. All you gotta do is get it in there. Bam, and then to close it, here you are. Now we can charge it, okay? Now we can charge this thing. So let's go ahead and plug it in. So here's my charger right here. That's what we gotta plug it into. All right, so to take it off, you can see these little grooves here. So go on like this. See the attitude I have that? And then twist it, and bam, it's ready to go. Here's our port down here. There's our electrical port. We shove it in. There it's charging. Now we just gotta let it charge. Bam, Bob's your uncle, Dyson.